Let's be real. Winter makes students lazy. You sleep more, move less, and convince yourself you'll start again next semester. But what if this winter, instead of falling off, you actually built momentum? 90 days. That's all you need to reset your habits and walk into spring completely different. Laziness isn't the problem. Comfort is. You've trained your brain to choose what feels good now instead of what matters later. You don't need more motivation, you need friction between you and your bad habits. The goal this winter isn't to work harder, it's to make laziness inconvenient. Redefine what productive means. Productivity doesn't mean studying 10 hours a day. It means doing what actually moves you forward and cutting everything else. 1 hour of focus beats 5 hours of guilt-filled studying with your phone next to you. The goal isn't a flawless routine, it's steady progress. Here's how to make that happen this winter. Step 1. Rebuild your baseline. Start small. Wake up, move, and study at the same time every day. Even if it's just for an hour, your brain craves routine, not chaos. The more consistent you are, the less effort it takes to accomplish things. Build patterns that make focus automatic. Step 2. Clean your environment. A messy room kills productivity. Clear your desk, throw away the clutter, and delete the apps that steal your time. Your space should remind you of your goals, not your distractions. When your environment is clean, your mind follows. Step 3. Study in focus bursts. Forget marathon sessions that end with burnout. Use the 50 to 10 or 90 to 15 method. Focused study, then full rest. No multitasking. Anything in between is wasted time. Step 4. Move daily. You don't need to hit the gym every day, just move. Stretch, take a walk, or do a few push-ups. Movement resets your focus and keeps your mind sharp. A lazy body leads to a lazy brain. Stay active and alert. Step 5. Reflect weekly. Once a week, sit down and ask yourself, what made me lazy? Be honest, no excuses. Fix one small thing at a time. That's how real progress happens, through small, consistent improvements, not unrealistic transformations. Most students will waste these 90 days, doing nothing and expecting results later. Use this time to get consistent, sharpen your focus, and fix the habits holding you back. When the next semester hits, you won't be catching up. You'll already be ready. Winter slows everything down, and that's your advantage. With fewer distractions and more quiet, it's the best time to reset your focus and build systems that'll carry you through the rest of the year.